similar to all employees. Managers start at their own employee page with the familiar UC header at the top. However, managers also have a menu item called the Manager Hub. There are 4 manager actions I can take from this page. View employee information, view team profiles, view compensation history, and view employee absence balances. The first action item is view employee information. By selecting it, I open a list of employees who report to me. From here, if I choose to drill into an individual's record, I select the right-facing arrow on the right-hand side of the team member's information block. With that, the individual team member's personal information page opens. The Manager Hub allows me, as a manager, to view information for employees who report to me. One of the more helpful things on the View Employee Information page is the ability to find employee ID numbers. I often communicate these to my HR personnel so that they can help me manage employee actions such as payroll and benefit items or IT services. Scrolling down the page, I can view home and mailing addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, and emergency contacts. Note that I cannot change any of the information for the employees. The system only allows me to view their information. Any changes have to come from the employees themselves. Still, this is helpful if ever I want to send something to an employee's address, such as a get well card or similar. To exit from this individual's employee information page and find another team member, I use the Select Different Employee link in the upper left part of the screen. I have 2 people management roles at UC. To toggle between the roles, I can use the Acting As drop-down list of values. In my particular case, I'm the department vice chair, with 8 positions reporting to me. I'm also a professor of psychology, a role where I have 37 appointments that I am responsible for, consisting primarily of teaching assistants, with many of these roles sitting vacant currently. Returning to Manager Hub from the menu, let's take a look at the team profile. In the team profile, I am able to enter qualifications such as honors and awards that anyone on my team may have earned. To do so, I use the Add button and then search from the Honor and Award field drop-down list to quickly add. It's a good idea to include the grantor, but a note of caution. The grantor field can only hold 20 characters. So often, you'll have to shorten many associations names or use initials. Once entered, select the Save button. While employees can enter these items themselves, I enjoy helping my team manage their credentials. Similar to the Honors and Awards section, I can search for the name of the license or certification using the Search feature and then select from the long list of credentials. The Search Criteria section allows me to search by content item or the description of the license or certification. Although not necessary, I can fill in the country and state. I add the license certification number if there is one and then select the Save button. Finally, in the team profile, I can update an individual's education by adding a degree. First, I select the plus sign. Then I use the search features to find the degree. The search criteria gives me 2 options to use to search: content item or description. Content item will give you a more limited return of values. Use the description field if you want a larger selection returned. In this case, my associate has earned a doctorate of psychology. Good for her. So I mark the terminal degree box and save. From each individual record view, I can quickly switch to a different employee using the Select Different Employee link. allowing me to move easily between my direct reports. Finally, from an individual's record, I also have the ability to add UC specialty codes. In this case, my colleague earned a UC specialization in personality psychology, so I mark it and save. A link within the Manager Hub, which I use periodically, is the View Compensation History. Select a direct report. Here, I can drill into someone's compensation structure, view their history, including compensation adjustments due to changes to the base salary, pay rate changes, and position changes. You might have noticed that I have 27 direct reports in this compensation section, which differs from the View Employee information of 37. The difference is that I have multiple empty positions that I need to fill. Okay, back to the Manager Hub from the menu bar. The View Employee Absence Balances section. This is one of the areas I visit the most, as this is where I can help the employees monitor their accrued vacation, sick balances, employment service months, comp time, and related leave balance items. All in all, the Manager Hub helps me manage my team.